Okay, so today's question is count odd numbers in an interval range. So given two non-negative integers low and high, return the count of odd numbers between low and high inclusive. Okay, so see, for example, in input is given low is equal to 3 and high is equal to 7, right? So the number of odd numbers will be, including 3 and 7, will be 3, okay, then 5, then 7, 3 odd numbers, right? And similarly, if we see the second example, it is 8 and 10. So odd numbers between 8 and 10 will be what? 9. Yes, only one, right? So answer is 1. Okay, now if you see here, okay, we have given that low and high, okay, the basically the range, right? The value of low and high can be 0 to 10 to the power minus 10 to the power 9. Now if, okay, now if, see, if low is equal to 0 and high is equal to 10 to the power 9, right? Then we have to count, if we like, if we just check all the numbers between low and high, including low and high, then we have to, we will like, we'll be doing this in time complexity big of high minus low. Okay, so if high is, let's suppose, 10 to the power 9 and low is 0, then the time complexity in which we will be solving the question will be of big of 10 to the power 9, which is like a very complex time complexity, right? Basically very big time complexity. So for reducing time complexity, we will use a simple approach. Now, if you see the pattern between this example 1 and example 2, you will got that we can find number of odd numbers just by taking the difference of high and the low number. Okay, and divide it by 2. How? See, for example, if I talk about uh, number from 2 to 10, then it will be 2, right? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now if you see here, number of odd numbers between 2 and 10, including 2 and 10, will be 3, 5, okay, then 7 and 9. So 3, 3, okay, then 5, 7 and 9. So 4 odd numbers, right? 4 odd numbers are there. Now if we see 10 minus 2 will be what? What will be 10 minus 2? It will be 8, and 8 divided by 2 8 divided by 2 is 4. Understood? Yes or no? So now if we take another example, if both number is odd, okay, see, if both number are even, then we don't have to count the, basically we don't have to count the both numbers, right? The both boundary, we just have to count the number of integers between them. Okay, so let's take four cases. Okay, four cases, that first number odd, okay, second number even, basically I'm talking about low and high, right? Then low is odd, also high is odd, then low is even, high is odd, or low is even and high is even. If we check all this condition, see, let's take an example, right? Let's take an example of 2 and, let's suppose, not 2, sorry, 3 and 10. Then how many numbers are there in this? So number of odd numbers in this range will be 3, 5, then 7 and 9. So 4 numbers, right? Total 4 odd numbers. Okay, and 4 is basically what? 10 minus 3 is 7. So 7 plus 1 by 4. Okay, so here we are doing difference plus 1 by 2, right? Similarly, if both numbers are odd, okay, then it will be, let's suppose, 3 and 11, right? So it will be simply 4 plus 1, right? It will be 5. Why it will be 5? Why it will be 5? Because we are counting 3 and 11 both. Okay, understood? We are counting 3 and 11 both here. Okay, okay, so it will be 11 minus 3 will be what? 11 minus 3 will be 8. Now 8 divided by 1. Okay, so here it will be difference divided by 2 plus 7. Okay, in this case. Okay, and if one is, first is 7 and second is odd, it will be example 2 and 11. So here it will be what? Here it will be again 11 minus 2 will be 9, and 9 divided by 2 is 4. But here it will be 5 odd numbers, right? The number of odd numbers between 2 and 11, including 2 and 11, is what? Is 5 only. So here we are doing difference plus 1 by 2 again. And if both are even, then we are doing what we are doing here. Again, we take an example of 2 and 10. We are just, there are 4 odd numbers, right? So we are doing just difference by 2 only. This is the case. Okay, this is the case here. Okay, understood? If one is odd and one is even, then we are doing difference. What? Yeah. If one is odd or okay, one is even, then we are doing difference plus 1 by 2. Okay, difference plus 1 by 2. Understood? Otherwise, we are doing, if both are odd, then we are doing difference by 2 plus 1. Otherwise, we are doing difference by 2. Okay, so we'll write here. Okay, I will comment this one. Okay, for my reference for writing the solution. So I will write if low percentage 2 equals to 0, means if low is odd. Now if low is odd, okay, or we can write if low is equal to 0 and high percent 2 is not equal to 0, then we will return what? Difference. See here, see, difference plus 1 by 2. We will return difference plus 1 by 2. It will be low minus high, sorry, high minus low plus 1 by 2, right? Else we will return. Okay, and here also I want to write one thing more, that if not and, okay, it will be or. Okay, or just a second guys, control C and control V, and here I will write if low is 1 and if high is odd, right? Okay, else we return what? Else we return high minus low by 2. Okay, no, see, there is also one case. The case is if both are odd, then we have to write difference by 2 plus 1. Okay, so if low is not equal to, low percentage 2 is not equal to 0, okay, and high percentage 2 is not equal to 0, then we will return difference, okay, which is high by 2, okay, high by 2 plus 1. Okay, else we will return difference by 2, means high minus low by 2. Okay, see, so let's check. Here we should write else if. Okay, here we should write else if. Now let's see. Oh sorry, here there is a mistake here. Okay, just a second guys, there is a mistake here. This bracket should be here and I should write here minus low. Okay, now let's check. So see, so this was the question, this was the solution of this question. Okay, I hope you guys understood that how to solve this question. If anything else, if you have some doubt, then please let me know in the comment section. So yeah, thank you for now.